अंदर भी रखा हुआ है। ये
अंदर भी
बताना
रखा
चाह
हुआ
रहे
है,
हो
एक-
कि ये
एक लैंप
देखिए
रखा हुआ है।
अभी रहने दे,
कैसे
उतारे ना सर,
नया
किसी
बाइक
चीज़ को ना उतारे अभी।
है।
जरा लाने दें इनकी
सामने
सिक्योरिटी। कैसे इधर वोट होता है सर? दिस इज द वोट। ये कैमरा लगा हुआ है सर इधर, और दूसरा कैमरा लगा हुआ है सर इधर, और माउंट के अंदर लगाए हुए हैं सर।
There is no provision in the rules for putting cameras at the polling station.
ये दो कैमरे लगाए हुए हैं, ये पोलिंग बूथ है सर।
Can I have the floor? Sir, are you presiding the house or is someone else presiding the house? If someone else is presiding the house, then I will act accordingly. There is no provision in the rules for putting cameras at the polling station. There is no provision in the rules. It is against the Constitution. It is against Article 226. It is against the reference that you moved to the Supreme Court of Pakistan, which held that elections to the office of the Chairman Senate are to be held under Article 226. Mr. President.
Okay, Raza Sahab, 1 minute, please resume your seat. Please, I've heard you. Please sit down. Please sit down. Bete ji, Iqbal sir, sir, please sit down 1 minute. Okay, sir. Rabani Sahab, Raza Sahab, do you want the senators to take oath or no? So then please kindly resume your order. ये टांगे साहब शेरी बीबी टांगे साहब ये सेक्रेटरी साहब You kindly call the names of the members in alphabetical order for signing the roll. Raza Rabbani Sahab, now you remain the chairman of the Senate. Please show some patience also, some tolerance. I've heard the leader of the house. I've heard Mr. Swati. Now let us at least take the trouble of basically getting on with it. You have pointed out, I am directing that the polling booth should be constructed afresh to your satisfaction and the government satisfaction. Just listen to me. You had your say, now let me also speak basically. Kindly take your seat. Please, Mr. Farooq Naik, you also remain the chairman of the Senate. Let me speak also, Naji. I am directing that the polling booth be constructed afresh. You can inspect it. I will maintain or direct that basically the secrecy of the vote is maintained thoroughly by all parties.
One by one in
I'll give you a ruling, but let me complete the process. Dear, 1 minute. Sir, aap baithe na baithe. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. The ruling is, I'll give you the ruling. The ruling is that under Rule 9, no other business can be transacted excepting the oath basically of new elected members, and no other point can be raised. Sorry, sir, I've ruled it out.